How much do you pay to get your taxes done?
$900.
What if I told you you can get your taxes done or do your taxes yourself for free?
You didn't pay your taxes?
I would have, but I didn't have any money.
In today's video, I will share with you how to do your taxes for free in Canada. So if you want to stop paying these tax experts hundreds of dollars for something you don't need to spend a cent on, make sure you watch this video till the end. This video is for T1 tax returns, so for individuals who want to do their personal taxes. This includes sole proprietorship business owners. If you have an incorporated business, you'll need to file a separate T2 corporate tax return. For these cases, this isn't something you want to do yourself. You can, but the CRA recommends you hire a CPA to help you with your T2 return, not a tax expert. For the majority of Canadians, you don't have a complicated tax return. What, a T4 employment slip, maybe a T4E benefit slip, RRSP contributions, and maybe claim a dependent or some capital gains on crypto. Pretty basic stuff. Now, there are certain circumstances which make your return more complicated. This includes a divorce, bankruptcy, death in the family, or maybe you run a small business or have rental income properties. Now, if you want to do a bit of research, you can pretty much do it all yourself, but you may want to consider hiring help depending on your personal situation. Let's jump right into it. The first way to get your taxes done for free is from the CRA's File My Return automated phone service. With this service, you can easily do your taxes over the phone with no forms to fill out or calculations to do. For more information on this, I'll leave a link in the video description to the page on Canada.ca. The only con with this method is that it's only available for those who are eligible, so lower income and basic tax situations. If you never got a letter regarding this service, you're probably not eligible. If you did get a letter, go ahead and do your return. The next way to get your taxes done for free is at a free tax clinic. This would be also for individuals with lower income and basic tax situations. Each clinic may have its own eligibility, but generally it's for individuals who make less than $35,000 or couples that make less than $4,500 plus $2,500 for each additional dependent. At Canada.ca, there's a page to help you find free tax clinics available for you. These clinics offer different methods to get your taxes done, either by walk-in, drop-off, appointment in person, over the phone, or by video chat. Go to the Find a Clinic page and fill out the clinic type, province, city, returns prepared, and language. Then search and you'll be given all the clinics available for you. This method is perfect for individuals with a lower income and a basic tax return who isn't very tech savvy and don't have a clue about taxes and will need assistance. The next way to do your taxes for free is with Turbotax, but you must be 25 years old or younger. This free discount applies to do-it-yourself service, which usually costs up to $89.99, or do-it-for-me services, which usually costs up to $149.99. If you choose to do it yourself, you can still get help from tax experts, and most situations are covered. With the full service Do It For Me, you can just hand off your tax slips and tax experts will file your return for you. This is probably one of the best deals for getting your taxes done for free. The only con being you need to be 25 years old or younger. But if you are over 25, you can still do your taxes for free with Turbotax. They offer a free do-it-yourself software for simple tax returns. Turbotax's free tax software is easy to use with a step-by-step process to fill out your return. They, like everyone else, use an autofill feature to import slips from the CRA. Also, to save on time, with the free edition, you are still able to import last year's Turbotax data. The biggest con with this software is that it's only for simple returns and there's no expert support. The only help you get is from the Turbotax community. Here you can search for questions that already have answers or get answers from others in the community. Turbotax is available on web browsers as well as their mobile app, and Turbotax is available all over Canada except the live full service isn't available in Quebec. The next way to do your taxes for free is with H&R Block. With H&R Block, you can file in person, drop off documents, file remotely, or do it yourself. But if you don't want to pay anything, you'll need to choose the free option for filing yourself. This free software is able to handle most tax situations: capital gains, rental income, high incomes, and even self-employed tax situations. The highlights of this software are automatic return optimization, step-by-step guidance, autofill return, smart search for slips and forms, and an online help center similar to Turbotax Community Help. And just like Turbotax, there is no support available for the free version. If you want to be able to call or chat with their experts, you'll need to pay $19.99. Another con with the free filing is that you can't transfer last year's data. Once again, if you want this feature, you'll need to upgrade to the $19.99 version. H&R Block's free file offers way more tax situations than Turbotax and will be good enough for the majority of people, but it doesn't handle all situations. These other situations are bankruptcy, decease, non-resident, multi-jurisdiction, and a few other odd situations. This free service is available all over Canada on their web browser. And like I already mentioned, If you have a complicated tax return, you'll probably be better off speaking with an accountant. Turbotax and H&R Block have been around the longest and are considered to be OGs in the tax world. But new players are starting to change the game. One of those players is CloudTax. CloudTax offers filing with an expert for personal tax, employment tax, self-employment tax, immigrant and non-resident tax, and corporate tax returns. They also offer a do-it-yourself service for free with live chat and unlimited email support. With CloudTax Free, they offer a step-by-step guided application, AI-powered technology, autofill from CRA, import data from last year, and smart search. Before, CloudTax Free could only handle basic tax returns, but more recently, you now have full access to all forms, including RRSP contributions, dependent and student credits, can claim donations, medical expenses, and employment expenses, covers cryptocurrencies and other investments, handles foreign and rental income, and self-employed or business tax. And before, with your account, you could only submit 2 returns, but now you can submit up to 20 returns. Now, if you want added live chat and phone support from tax experts, you'll need to upgrade to CloudTax Plus for $29.99. This will also include video tutorials, audit protection, and coming soon, cloud receipts to organize, track, and manage your expenses. And if you want them to file your taxes for you, a basic return is $39.99 and a complex return is $89.99. The con with CloudTax is that it's not available in the Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, or Quebec. But on the plus side, they do have a mobile app so you can easily do your taxes from your mobile device. CloudTax Free is one of the best free options for anyone looking to do a basic or more complex tax return. As for CloudTax paid products, they are much cheaper than TurboTax and H&R Block. So if you're someone who wants to pay to get your return done for you, whether it's for personal taxes including self-employment or corporate taxes, CloudTax is a lot cheaper than the competition. Another newer player in the game is Wealthsimple Tax. Formerly SimpleTax, Wealthsimple Tax is a free do-it-yourself filing service. Just like Wealthsimple's other products, Wealthsimple Tax has a clean, simple, and intuitive user interface that's easy to use. They offer autofill my return, smart search for all income deductions and credits, the ability to import tax information from other crypto platforms, RRSP optimization, return optimization, and the ability to import info from previous years. This software is capable of handling any unique tax situation completely free of costs. Self-employed, new to Canada, traded crypto or stocks, rental income, etc. And unlike filing free from TurboTax and H&R Block, Wealthsimple Tax actually has customer support for all customers. Support can be reached from chat, email, and even by phone. But if you do want priority support and audit support, you can upgrade for $30. And for $40, you can get this plus upgrade for a 30-minute advice session to walk through your return. In addition, Wealthsimple has a feature that no other tax software has, a sign-up bonus and a referral program. If you sign up and file with Wealthsimple using my link in the video description below, you'll earn a $10 bonus. Plus then, if you want to refer your friends and family, you can earn even more. So now when a family member asks you for help with their tax return, you can actually get paid for doing it. Wealthsimple Tax is available all over Canada, including Quebec, and can be accessed on web browser or their mobile app, and their products are available in French. The only con really with Wealthsimple Tax is that you can't pay them to do your taxes for you. But if you're someone that can do your own return, this is the ultimate free software. Now these aren't the only free options in Canada. If you go to canada.ca and search file your taxes online, you can see all the free tax software available in Canada. Other honorable mentions that have some kind of free offering include Genutax, Advtax, and StudioTax. The beloved StudioTax used to be completely free for all users, but more recently they started charging $15 for a single license. But they do still offer free returns for anyone who makes less than $20,000 a year or live in the Northwest Territories, Yukon, or Nunavut. StudioTax isn't a cloud-based software like the others, so if you're someone who's concerned about your personal data, StudioTax is the most secure option. So even if you're paying $15, having this peace of mind may be worth it. And one last way to file your taxes for free I should mention is the Boomer way with good old pen and paper. If you really want to do this method, you can request a tax package directly from the CRA. My final thoughts? Just don't get ripped off. It's okay to pay to get your taxes done no matter your tax situation, but some places will be more expensive than others. So make sure you compare your options before filing your return. And don't fall for the instant return. Those will be the most costly. Be patient and wait a week or so. Also, if you qualify to get your taxes done for you for free, you should take advantage of that. And finally, if you're up for it, try doing your taxes yourself with free software. It's a lot easier than you think. And there's something about being in control and doing your own taxes for free that I kind of like.
Oh, January 1st. Better get going on those taxes, Nettie.
And the more you know about your tax situation, the more you can increase your return or lower what you owe. If you want to file your own self-employed tax return for free, check out this video on the right of the screen. Let me know in the comments section how you usually file your taxes and how much you pay. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!